Today we will going to write a simple code which will read words from a file and print unique words among them. We will be using Python 3.8 for this and basic approach of dictionary. I will be uploading this code on a GitHub and you can find it in the description. So let's get started. Here's the readme file which will be containing the sample task that we have to find a unique word from the file. This will be the sample input. You can see the data file contains the sample input like this. Now we have to get the output like this, where all the repeated occurrence will be deleted. Our code will be in the unique key finder file. So let's write the code. I'll be writing a main method and all the code will be inside it. For this code, I want the user to pass the file name dynamically rather than hard coding it. So I will create a variable file name, and if you must be familiar with Python, I can call the main method like this, and I want the user to pass the argument to the command line. So I need to import a module named sys module. So import sys, and if the user does not pass anything, I want the user to get a proper message for that. So I will be using try except else block, and here I will be writing file name is equal to sys.argv index1. If the user does not pass anything, it will throw an index error. So it will catch here, and I just want to print a message that usage should be like this: unique key finder.py and then the file name. If everything goes fine, I need to just call the main method with the file name. Now let's write the main method. Okay, so I have to open the file. So with open file in a read mode as file handler. Now whenever we read a file, we usually get a new line character at each end of the line. You can see here, if I select the whole content, you can see here some spaces are occupied. These are basically new line characters. We need to trim this before comparing the words. So for that, let's suppose lines with new lines is fh.readLines. What this will do, it will read all the content from the file and will save in a list. I can print this. Let's suppose if I print this. Okay, so if I write the code like this, unique. First of all, if I don't pass anything, you can see I get a proper message that the file name or the script should be run like this. Now if I pass the file name, the output will be GitHub /n, Spotify, Google, and so on, including the /n. Now I need to trim from each and every element from the list. So I will iterate over the list. For word with new line is equal in lines with new line. Now I need to trim this, so word with new line dot strip and strip with /n. Now if I print the word to see where we are going, you can see now we are getting the correct output in the format we are getting in the script data file. Now let's write the code to actually find the uniqueness among the words. For this we will be using a dictionary. Let's name this parse dict and initialize as a blank dictionary. We know that dictionary cannot contain a duplicate key, so we will be assigning this word into a dictionary as a key, and if key is already existing there, we will just increment the count of it. So here it is. If word is already in parse dictionary, we will do something, else we will create the existence, means we will create a key with the name of the word and we will assign one, means it's the first occurrence of the word. If it is already present there, we can simply say word and increase its occurrence by 1. Now if I print the output like this, print parse dictionary.keys, we will see we are only getting the unique values. Now we can simply iterate over this list and print all the words. So for that, for let's say word in past key dictionary.keys and simply print the word. Yep, we got the output as required. We can see the first input was this and the output is this. This is pretty much it for today. Hope you have learned something. Have a nice day.